Good evening. This is Eric Lodney with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Thursday, May 20th. Not a good day on Wall Street today. Dow was down 376 points, closing at 10,068. Nasdaq was down on a percentage basis even more, 94 points, closing at 2204. Volume was increasingly heavy as the day wore on. Basically, it was a little bit of a reversal in the euro today, which ironically turned out to be bad for stocks because different hedge funds now are short the euro. So, in trying to strip some of their hedging strategies, they're covering the euros and having to sell good assets, which are stocks. Furthermore, there's worries over the fact that oil has now entered the Gulf Stream. It's supposed to be at the Florida Keys by the end of the weekend, as well as some poor earnings out for the bell. And finally, the fact that the Bundesrat is going to vote tomorrow exactly how much Germany is willing to give to Greece. So there's a lot of worries all over Europe. So for tomorrow morning, it looks to be at this moment a very much down open. Nasdaqs are down. Dell's earnings were not good. Apple's trading down almost 3 points right now. Salesforce.com had very bad earnings. So look for a weak open, and then from there, probably the best strategy is to play some relative strength plays in any bounce. There will be a bounce in all likelihood. The veracity of that bounce in the first few minutes will set the tone for the day in all likelihood. So I would look to be a small buyer as a trader in the open, and then let's go from there and see exactly how strong the market bounces. On the positive side, MRVL, FL, ARO, and NDSN are all trading up on earnings. On the negative side right now, Dell, CRM, GPS, INTU, RRGB, BRCD, and ZUMZ are all trading down earnings. There's a myriad of stocks that close near their lows. Among them, some of the ones in heavier volume, which moved significantly on the day: FCX, AIG, RIG, GS, LVS, POT, IBM, X, GOOG, RIMM, RDN, CRE, APC, PRU, and finally FSLR was mentioned negatively on Mad Money tonight. Earnings in the morning, ANN and TECD. So get some rest. I wish all of you a good night, and good luck trading tomorrow.